Hey, welcome back to the channel. My name is Keith and I'm sure glad you stopped by today. In today's video, we'll be taking you step by step on how to replace the drain pump on your Bravos XL MCT washer. Here's the model number for the particular washer we'll be working on in today's video. If you need more information on how to troubleshoot issues with this particular washer and how to test the drain pump, we'll put some cards up above and some links down in the description below to some other videos we've published on this washer. First, let's disconnect the washer. You'll need to turn the hot and cold water valves off, unplug the power cord, remove the drain tube, and disconnect the hot and cold water lines. I'm going to use a pair of channel locks here to disconnect the water lines. There's still some water in this washer that we need to remove. Since my washer is located in the garage, I'm going to move it to the driveway and place it on its side so that the remaining water can drain out. Before we move the washer, let's tape the lid closed so it doesn't open up when we try to move it. After all the water has drained out, now we're ready to locate the drain pump. Here you see the drain pump. Let's first use a pair of channel locks to remove the clamp securing the two hoses connected to the drain pump. Next, let's disconnect the drain pump's electrical connector. Now, we'll use a 5/16 1/4-inch socket to remove the three fasteners that hold the drain pump in place. With the old drain pump off, let's compare it to the new part. Make sure all the mounting holes and the electrical connectors are in the same position. Now we're ready to install the new pump. Let's use our 5/16 1/4-inch socket to install each fastener. Now I've got my ratchet and I'm going to tighten the rest of the way by hand here. Just tighten by feel. There we go. That's it. Just tightening by feel. Next, we'll connect both hoses. Make sure you secure and position each hose clamp with your channel locks so you get a secure watertight connection. Using my channel locks here just to get a better bite on this. Let's move these down. Very good. Alright there. Should be good. Perfect. Now, let's come on this back side. Get this position down here. There we go. So we've got our last clamp position right here. Now let's just check our work. This clamp looks good. This clamp looks good. This one looks good. And yep, now we want to make sure we have our electrical connector in here. So let's go ahead and do that. Just checking my work up here. That looks good. And this electrical connector goes. Let's get this down here. There's only one way to put this in. You see, it goes like that. Very good, yep. Yep, awesome. Electrical connectors in place. If this information has helped you out, do us a huge favor and smash that like button right now and consider subscribing. we'd really appreciate it. Now we're ready to reposition the washer, attach our drain line, reconnect our hot and cold water lines, and plug in the power cord. With the washer connected and back in place, let's put a load of towels in the washer to test it out. And there you have it. The new drain pump is installed and this washer is fixed. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, hit that subscribe button and click that bell so anytime we drop a new video, you'll be the first to know. Hit that like button and leave me some comments. I'd love to hear from you. If you're interested in any of the products we used in today's video, we'll leave some links down below. Hope you have an awesome day, and thanks for watching.